In this episode, the 1,000 lava shapes, pasta with sauce, lots and lots of heat. We are in Nicolosi, a small village in eastern Sicily, about 700 meters above sea level, made of lava stone, pine trees, and then extinct craters, the so-called children of Etna. We have arrived during the Christmas period, and this nativity is right in the central square, where there is also this church and this road, the SP92, that from here starts and arrives up to 2,000 meters, exactly here, the Sapienza Square, where if you wish, a cableway takes you up to 3,000 meters, and then, if you like, you can take a walk of 300 meters and arrive here, at the top of the highest volcano in Europe, Etna. From Nicolosi, the highest volcano in Europe, you can see it from every corner. A mate. Because Etna, for Sicilians, is a female who has accompanied the life of this country over the millennia.
You can see
A friend, sometimes a little restless, that makes the houses shake and floods the roofs with ashes. But don't worry, there is no danger. Etna is far, far, far away. Here we are in the village. The lava stone dominates the landscape of houses, roads, walls, or fence. Christmas is approaching. Let's see what they sell in our store. It's full of Christmas things. There is also some beautiful Sicilian ceramic. Hey, check out this miniature 500. This is Piazza Carmine, and that's the beautiful 18th century church of Carmel. A fruit vendor. Oranges and tangerines are very good around here. Some of the houses have magnificent lava stone portals. Excuse me, Mrs. Nicolosian, can I ask you a question? I'm so sorry, I'm in a hurry. The child is getting out of school. How many beautiful houses, low, elegant. What beautiful jasmine ready to bloom. Let's see if there's anyone here. Nothing. Mrs. Gelsomina is out shopping. Here's another alley in Nicolosi. 1886. Beautiful portal, still made of lava stone. What a beautiful village, and what a beautiful sunny Sicilian day. This is Via Etna, dedicated to the volcano. Walking along the small streets of Nicolosi, you can still see many lava stones ruins that once were palmenti, that is, places where grapes were crushed to make wine. With about 50,000 euros, you can find one of about 100 square meters to renovate. What a nice smell! Let's see. Hey, so many delicious chocolate. What a beautiful Christmas tree.
E questa è una creazione in cioccolato. La particolarità è comunque che ci sono dei
This is a chocolate Christmas tree, but with Sicilian products with candied fruit, pistachios, and hazelnuts from Etna. This is Etna sweet with cocoa, figs, marzipan.
proprio per richiamare un po' quello che è il cratere.
These are Etna lapilli, made with almonds and pistachios from Etna. And they are called lapilli because when one eats them, they make crack crack, like when one walks on volcanic ash. And this is our cassata with pistachio marzipan.
Valorizzare quello che è la materia prima, abbiamo messo, piuttosto che del colorante verde, abbiamo inserito del marzapane al pistacchio.
Mamma mia, what goodness! Let's go before we eat it all. Goodbye. A fish vendor in the mountains? Will they be mountain fish? Let's see a minute.
Salve.
Squid, sea bass, bream, sole, cod, and codfish.
Buongiorno signora, siamo dei giornalisti. Stiamo facendo.
Good morning, ma'am. Tell me, why one must come to Sicily on vacation?
Prima di tutto perché è una terra in cui abbiamo.
Because here we have everything, from the mountains to the sea. You want to ski? Come to Mount Etna.
Ma mondo, vuoi sciare? Ci puoi. Vuoi ir al mare? Ci puoi.
Do you want to go swimming? You go to the sea. And as food, what do you recommend?
Qual è un piatto che le consiglia di assaggiare?
Che sa?
La pasta e quesadde. È la sua preferita?
Pasta with sardines. What is the worst defect of the Sicilians? They don't have any. We are welcoming. We don't have any flaws. Another lady. Let's see what she says. Should one be afraid of Etna?
I precedenti no, perché è sempre stata insomma abbastanza, anche eruzioni, quelle importanti, non c'è stato pericolo.
Absolutely not. It's far away.
Lei si sente più una siciliana di non...
Do you feel like a Sicilian from the mountains or the sea? Before from the sea, now from the mountains, honestly.
Ripazzo completo.
Let's go into this little alley full of lava stone. Let's see if we can find someone.
Buongiorno signora.
Hello, ma'am. What are you preparing to eat today? Pasta with fresh tomato made by me. Great Sicilian pasta, among my favorites. Here's a famous Sicilian moro ape full of fruit. Okay, now, we are hungry. We are guests of Miss Maria Grazia Torre.
Quello della zia qual è?
This is my aunt's Sicilian duck. Here's the living room of this Sicilian house. There is a nice working gramophone.
Allora, no, questo è un grammofono. I miei genitori e la mia mamma è nata in America. Queste sono collezioni di...
A collection of nativity scenes from around the world. This is the Sicilian one, the most precious of all.
Questa è un mobile antichissimo, siciliano, sì, qui si teneva.
This is a very old Sicilian piece of furniture. We used to keep flour in it.
Queste bottiglie, l'abbiamo fatto ristrutturare perché ci mancava questo pezzo.
Here we are in the kitchen. Good morning, everybody.
Io sono Enza Grasso, buongiorno.
There is, of course, a beautiful picture of Etna. Outside the kitchen, there is a classical Sicilian courtyard with two beautiful wash basins where they used to wash the laundry.
Con due bellissime pile dove la mia mamma si lavava la biancheria, soprattutto in questa.
This house is all in lava stone, of course. We go up a staircase, also made of lava stone. This is my mother's bedroom, and she was born here. In this bed where I continue to sleep today.
55, quindi come vede ben conservata.
Dei viaggi, lei è una viaggiatrice?
Sì, io viaggio molto, almeno una volta all'anno faccio dei viaggi.
Maria Grazia tells us about her travels around the world. By traveling, I was able to appreciate my land. We have gold. I think we are the richest land in the world in terms of culture and landscape. We are the cradle of civilization. I have a conflictual relationship with Etna. It is a friend to be respected. He often scares us, but for us in Nicolosi, it has been a source of work for everyone, in the past and also today.
Allora, viaggiando ho potuto apprezzare di più la mia terra. Con l'Etna ho un rapporto molto, come dire, conflittuale, ma anche molto amichevole.
Okay, now let's eat. Miss Maria Grazia has prepared fresh pasta with sauce. There is ricotta cheese with pomegranate seeds and a typical scacciata with cauliflower, anchovies, spring onions, and black olives. There are the very tasty prickly pears and dried figs.
Questi sono fighi secchi, si vede, questa è una ciambella a base appunto di fighi secchi.
Allora, questo è il piatto dove
In this dish with my mother, we used to make tomato preserves, which we then placed in the sun, and when it dried, it was ready.
facevamo il passato del pomodoro, lo mettevamo su questo piatto.
Thank you for everything, Miss Maria Grazia. Thank you, beautiful Sicily, for the hospitality of your people. A nice Sicilian kiss. Ciao ciao.
Allora,
Grazie, sto facendo, sto riprendendo. Un bacio, ce lo diamo. Grazie, complimenti. Faccia sapere. Grazie.
Buone cose. Ciao.
Arrivederci, grazie mille. Grazie mille.
Nicolosi è un grazioso paesino alle pendici dell'Etna, dalla localizzazione davvero strategica.
Nicolosi is a lovely little village, one step away from Etna and one step away from the sea. We have a mild climate. We have a beautiful park. There are the Monti Rossi and other nature trails of the park of Etna. The town, all in lava stone, is full of restaurants and stores. And don't miss to taste our mushrooms. We are waiting for you with the typical warmth of Sicily.
Vi aspettiamo col calore tipico della Sicilia.
Now it's time to walk and digest. Those are the famous Tre Altarelli, symbol of Nicolosi. Here, during the terrible eruption of 1766, the people of Nicolosi carried 3 saints in procession. Miraculously, the lava stopped and Nicolosi was saved. And in honor of this miracle was erected this altar, and there were painted the sacred images of Saint Anthony, Abbot, Saint Anthony of Padua, and in the middle the Virgin. The same miraculous phenomenon was repeated in 1886 with the lava that deviated suddenly near the 3 altars. Close to the town, right at the beginning of the SP92, the road that leads to 2,000 meters of altitude, here is a magical place, Monti Rossi. They are one of about the 300 children of Etna, an extinct crater. In ancient times, the Monti Rossi were naked, the red color given by sulfur and iron. For this reason, they are called Monti Rossi, literally red mountains. Then a pine forest was planted, and from naked, they became dressed. From this crater, a distant day in 1669, a tremendous eruption came up to Catania. They have been immortalized by all the great travelers of the 18th century Grand Tour, Goethe, Auel, de Maupassant, just to name a few. We arrive up to the top, and down there you can see Catania. There is a cross in memory of that catastrophic eruption that arrived up to surround the castle that was at the sea, near the coast. Now that castle is inside the city of Catania, and no longer at sea. It was a wonderful day in a beautiful town. This is life. This is Sicily. A day full of great food, of the warmth of the Sicilians, and in these parts, also of Etna.